Good evening, everyone. This is Samboy Lim of Barangay Ginebra. I would like to welcome you all for this Achievers Recognition Dinner. I do hope you're enjoying the night. First of all, I would like to thank my good friend, Mr. Jeremy Louis, for giving me this opportunity to be a part of this great company, Fusion Excel. To Mr. Paul Ting, Mr. Casey Poon, Mr. K.S. Lee, thank you for sharing to the millions of people your amazing products. And congratulations also for your wonderful project, the Christmas for Payatas project. Let's all support this noble cause.
Hi, good evening everyone. I'm Alan. I'd like to apologize for all of you because me and Samboy won't be there tonight. We have an out-of-town game in Lucena and I hope we win. So, to all barangays there, sana ma-suportahan nyo kami. And we need that win tonight. Anyways, allow us to congratulate the first batch of presidential directors from the Philippines. Siyempre, Cap Eli. Numero 1, Cap Eli, congratulations. And also to Pastor Ahu, Pastor Art, and Judge Veneracion. We salute you guys. Keep up the good work. Spread the news about our products. Alam naman natin, it's really an amazing product. So, to all of you, congratulations. And also, like to congratulate the set of directors, yung mga new directors natin. Siyempre, kasama dyan yung tatay ko, Tay, congrats. And also to my brother Ronnie. Sa lahat po sa inyo dyan, I hope you're enjoying the night. And God bless to everyone.
Good evening, everyone. I'm sure you guys are wondering why I'm here and why I'm not there with you guys. The reason why I can't be there with you guys tonight is because I'm busy preparing for my new sports TV show. I'd really like to be with you guys. I'm sure you guys are enjoying your dinner right now and enjoying the night. First and foremost, I would like to congratulate the new directors of Fusion Excel International. Second, I'd like also to congratulate the new presidential directors of Fusion Excel for a job well done. You know guys, you have a very good product with you. I mean, as you see, I'm wearing the pendant here, I'm wearing the bracelet, I'm wearing the watch. All these products have enhanced my sports activities. Anything I do, whether it's boxing, taekwondo, basketball, golf, working out with weights in Gold's Gym, running, it has increased tremendously my performance. And not only that, health-wise, it has also improved my health. So I'm sure you guys are wanting to share this with people you know, people you love, people you care for, and even probably people you don't know. Because you know what? It's a good thing. So I suggest you guys go aggressive, go and push it, because you know, one day the playing field will be equal. Right now, we're at an advantage because we know about this and they don't. But anyway, I wish you all the luck and I wish I was with you guys tonight. But enjoy the night, enjoy the dinner, and I'll catch you guys again on the next dinner. And I'll make sure that I'll be there to see all of you. Okay, before I end my message, I'd like to end my message with my trademark. It goes something like this. Shah!